Okay, this is a recording on Windows Server 2008, and we will be doing activity 6.3, promoting our enterprise server to a domain controller. So we're going to need to install the DNS server in our environment, and in this activity we'll add the DNS role. So we will go to Server Manager, which is where I'm at, and I'm logged in as administrator. And in Server Manager, we clicked Activity Domain Services to view the AD/DS summary pane. And in the Active Directory Domain Service Summary pane, we're going to click Run the Active Directory Domain Service Installation wizard, which if you're running the command prompt, then this at the command prompt you type in dcpromo.exe, and when we do this it'll make the server a domain controller, and it'll install the first domain controller in the forest. So when the Active Directory Domain Service Installation wizard starts, we're going to click Next to begin the installation. In the Operating System Compatibility dialog box, we're going to click Next to accept the defaults. Then we're going to click the Create a New Domain in a New Forest. Next. And in the Name the Forest Root Domain dialog box, we're going to enter bintech.local. as the fully qualified domain name, FQDN, of the forest root domain, and then we're going to click Next. So in the set forest functional level dialog box, which hasn't came up yet, we're going to choose Windows Server 2008. Okay, right here we're going to select Windows 2000 Server 2008, and we're going to click Next. In the additional domain controller option dialog box, we're going to click Next without adding any controller options, and that should be our next box that pops up. Okay, we're going to click Next here because that's the additional domain controller options, and we're going to click Next. A delegation for this DNS server cannot be created because the authoritative parent zone cannot be found, or it does not run Windows DNS Server. If you are integrating with an existing DNS infrastructure, you should manually create a delegation to this DNS server in the parent zone to ensure reliable name resolution from outside the domain bintech.local. Otherwise, no action is required. Do you wish to continue? I'm going to say yes to that. And Click Next to accept the default locations for the database. And so we're going to type in the password here. As the directory, service, restore mode, administrator password, and then click Next. I suppose I have to do it twice. I obviously did not get something right somewhere. Okay. Great, they don't match. Imagine that. Jeez. Okay, now they should. Shh. Oh. Give me a break. Okay. P, the @ SSW0RD. P, the @ SSW0RD. Seriously, thank you. Oh my gosh. In the summary dialog box, click Next. The installation wizard begins. Alrighty. So it's going to do its thing, and we will be back when it is done. Just to keep this video short, I'm going to pause it until it's finished with this. Okay, so that is done, and so we're going to click Finish, and then it's going to ask us to reboot, and we are actually done with that after that. So that concludes this video of promoting on the enterprise server, promoting the enterprise server to a domain controller. Thank you for watching this video.